Hi, I'm Sifu Kuttel, and if you've been enjoying my videos here on YouTube, then I highly encourage you to check out my online program on my website at sifukuttel.com. You can learn Tai Chi from the fundamental level all the way up to the advanced levels. We cover hand forms, weapon forms, and everything in between. You can do that at your own pace. It's a good program to work on because you get all the resources right there. I cover techniques in detail, footwork in detail, and the forms in a step-by-step format. Now, if you want to get even more in-depth training online, you can also get private lessons with me. You can do a single lesson, you can do them spread out whenever the amount of time that you want, or you can do a consistent weekly lesson, and we can focus on real-time details and corrections. Now, this is just short of the best case scenario, which is in-person lessons, but those have to be scheduled either if I'm out traveling for seminars or if you are here in Geneva, Switzerland. And if that's the case, you can always contact me via my website and the private lesson section. I hope you guys are enjoying the training here. I'm going to keep posting videos, but I always want to make sure that you know that if you want to learn more in-depth Tai Chi with a very specific curriculum, head over to my website. I'll see you guys in the next video.